Hello everyone. Very easy pattern for the beginners. 4 multiples of 4 stitches, 1 edge stitch, 1 purl stitch, 3 knit stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then again 1 purl stitch, 3 knit stitches. This one row number 1. And we finish the whole row like that. 3 and 1. 3 knit, 1 purl. So finish the whole row like row number 2. 1 edge stitch, 1 knit. You can see 1 knit here. Then 3 purl stitches all the way, 3 knit, 3 purl and 1 knit. All the row finish like that. Always the back row is the same. 3 purl and knit 1. So 3 purl and 1 knit. So I'll finish the whole row like third row is the same as row number 1, and on the fourth row we will start pattern back side. This one 1 purl and 3 knit. All the way this row is like that, and this pattern looks very beautiful. So I will finish the whole row like that. Fourth row we will start the pattern, and this one is the back side. We'll start the pattern here. 1 knit, 1 slip on, and the next one knit, and on the purl stitches have a look. We will wrap the yarn around the needle 2 times, 3 stitches like that. See, and then knit 1. Then again repeat pattern on the purl stitches. Wrap the yarn around the needle 2 times. Have a look again. Only on purl stitches. And I'm going to finish the whole row like that. Have a look. This one the right side. First one edge stitch, then 1 purl stitch. Then we whatever we did 2 times, we will open up the stitches like that. 3 stitches like that. Then we put in this needle and then knit 3 stitches. 1, then again 1 time, then bring the yarn inside, and then 2 times. So these were the 3 stitches already, like that, and drop the 3 stitches. Look again, one purl, open the stitches like that, 2, 3, 3 stitches, put back in this needle, and then knit 1, then bring the yarn to the front, and then knit 1 more, and you will see the 3 stitches are made, and then we drop these stitches. So you can look again, open up the stitches, put back in this needle, and then knit, make the yarn loose, bring the yarn inside, and knit, and then finish like that. So I will finish, and the pattern looks like that, and I will finish the whole row and show you. Pattern row is done, and now back side row same always, and we will put the 1 knit and 3 purl stitches all the way. And the pattern now look like that. So we will finish the back row, then 1 knit front row, and then on the back we start back pattern again. So it's very easy pattern. So I will show you little bit. So you can see here the pattern is so beautiful, look like that. And in this pattern I show you, I have done before, and I use the 2 purl stitches, 3 knit, but in the new one I use 3 knit and 1 purl. You can use how much you like. In the middle you can put 1 purl or 1 knit, but the pattern is so beautiful, you can see here. Thanks for watching.